How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and as you can see for the thumbnail, it's time for a change on the Micra. So we love our little Micra, you guys love the Micra. It looks amazing, but it's got its faults, it's got its little pernickety faults, and since we've been using it every day, we've picked up on loads of stuff. So let's have a wee quick look at it and we'll fill you in on what's happening with the little Micra. Right, first problem we've got is this persistent engine management light. It comes and goes. I can clear it, it might stay off for a week, it might stay off for an hour, but it comes back and it's the same fault code every time, and it's a low fuel pressure fault code. So I've done loads of googling, and one of the most common faults is a blocked fuel filter. So obviously when we first got the car, we replaced the plugs, the air filter, the fuel filter, and it did look like the genuine Nissan one that was still on it. So we've replaced that and the fault still comes back. So I don't know if it's maybe the pickup in the tank that's got a blocked sock at the bottom of the pump, or if the hoses are blocked. I don't know. That's something we're really going to have to look into before we go to Gibraltar, because I don't want to break down with low fuel pressure. The next common fault we suffer away on this car is overheating. So if it's cold and you're driving, it's fine, no problem at all. Days like this, when it's sunny and hot, if you get stuck in the slightest bit of traffic and you don't have the heater on full blast, the temperature starts to creep up and creep up and creep up. So I did hear the cooling fan come on once or twice. Again, it's very intermittent, so we really need to look into that, because obviously driving across Europe, France, Spain, Gibraltar, it's all going to be roasting hot, so we can't have it overheating while we're there either. So obviously they are two really key important jobs that need done on the little Micra before we can go. The other thing that desperately needs done, the brakes. The front brakes, the calipers are so seized. If you remember back a couple of videos, I've already stripped these and cleaned these, WD-40, pushed them in and out. I've actually done that another 3 times since we filmed that video. So the front calipers are toast. They need completely replaced. These wheels, we drove all the way to Coventry for these wheels, and we were told at the time that no buckles, no cracks, they drive perfect. Could they be further from the truth? As soon as you go over 60 miles an hour, this thing will shake false teeth out of you. It's horrendous. So we've actually teamed up with Team Dynamics, and they've sponsored the channel for the Gibraltar trip, and they are sending us out a set of their brand new flow formed Pro Race light alloys. I'll stick a picture of them here. These wheels are pretty much the same wheels that are on British touring cars. They look amazing, they function well, they're the right weight, they're the perfect fitment for the car, perfect offset, perfect spigot rings. They're going to be amazing, but they're going to completely change the look of the car as well. But I also don't want to get rid of these, because these period correct wheels, they're 90s TSW Alpine wheels. I really like them, they suit the car, I like the white on white. So I think we're going to look into getting these repaired while we run the Team Dynamics wheels, and then we can chop and change for shows and stuff whenever we need to. But yeah, it's going to be great to get another set of wheels on this, and it'll be much more comfortable to drive. So by far the biggest problem that we're going to have on this Micra for this trip to Gibraltar and back is this. So as you know, the little Micra is a 1 litre automatic. It's a CVT gearbox. It works off of rubber bands and cones, and it's absolutely hopeless. It's bad enough going up slip roads, going onto the parkway here, never mind trying to go over the mountains in it. So there's only one thing to do. So guys, what you're looking at here is every single piece, hopefully, that we need to convert our little K11 Micra to a manual. So we've got manual drive shafts, flywheel, gearbox, got a new clutch, 5-speed gearbox as well. We've got the new subframe, clutch pedal, brake pedal, servo, starter. We've even got 2 good new to us second-hand calipers here. We've got the dog bone mounts. This should be pretty much everything we need to convert our little Micra to a manual. And this was all kindly donated by Paul. He's a subscriber of the channel. I think it's his son or his grandson does stock car racing, and he had a hit in the back and this all came out of his stock car. So guys, all of this was donated free of charge. The only thing he wants in return is everybody to jump on board with this and hit up the links in the description for the Veterans Rally, Cancer Research, and just make a small donation, enter one of your raffles. Let's just donate as much money as we can to the two charities. That's all Paul wants in return. But I'm also going to leave a link. They've got a YouTube channel as well, but go over, check out his channel, have a look at what he does. You can actually see the car that all of this came off of getting hit, so it's well worth a watch. And like I said, the guys were so generous. All they want is to raise as much money as we can for charity. So get on board, enter one of the raffles for £1 a ticket, or jump on one of the GoFundMes and drop in a £5. It's all going straight to the charities, and this should be a hell of a lot better for driving to Gibraltar and back. Guys, talking about the raffle, you haven't got long. The raffle ends on the 8th of June for the SEALEY tools. We will start another one, but you've only got till the 8th of June to be in with a chance of winning a quarter drive set or a half-inch set. So make sure you've got yourself a ticket, £1 a ticket. All the money goes to one of the charities. So get involved, make sure you grab your chance to win these tools. Right guys, so there we go, just a wee quick update video on what's happening with the Micra before it goes to Gibraltar. I know a lot of you guys were keen for us to keep it an automatic, but what we're going to do is we're going to take all the automatic stuff, we're going to put it in storage so that one day if we ever need to put it back or we sell it or whatever, all the automatic stuff's there for it to make it genuine again. This isn't going to do any harm, it's going to make it a lot better to drive, and you never know, me and Charlie are still talking about turning this into a track car at some point. So it might even end up with a 2 litre in it and getting blasted around Knockhill with a half cage. So that might not be the end of it, but this is what's going to happen before we go to Gibraltar. It's going to make it a lot easier to drive and a lot more fun. So make sure you get involved with the raffle. It finishes on the 8th of June. If you want to make any donations to the Blind Veterans UK, the Banger Rally, anything like that, all the links are in the description. Thanks again for watching guys, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. We're so close to hitting 10,000, we're getting there. It's going up and up and up. Let's get to 10,000 subs before the end of the summer if we can. But anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time.